We find ourselves back in Hanoi. This city is the jumping off point for a lot of trips to Cat Ba Island. We're leaving tomorrow morning, early for Cat Ba Island. It's our last night in town, and the city is jumping.
I like how the whole family is part of the nightlife here. Little tiny kids, up to teenagers, up to adults. It doesn't matter. Everyone is out, having a good time, having a ball.
Lava chocolate on the inside.
A 3-hour bus trip out of Hanoi takes us to the seaside city of Hai Phong. And from there, it's a relatively short speedboat ride across the Gulf of Tonkin to Cat Ba Island.
Where are we headed?
There's plenty of options for transportation around the island, but the easiest way to get around everywhere you want to go is by renting your own motorbike. First, we drive north to the ferry terminal of Tuan Chau. The ferry is situated on the southern shore of Halong Bay. Just east of the ferry terminal, a wooden stilt bridge leads out to a little shrine overlooking the bay.
So there's no swimming here, and I think it's because of the giant sea snakes. They shoot up from the bottom and coil around you and drag you down. And then they bite you to death.
If you want to get a good view of this mountainous island, try the 45-minute trek up to New Lam Peak.
Okay, let me do that again. Not quite. These are the perfect kind of vines to swing on. Oh.
Make sure your knees are in good repair for the last half a kilometer.
This is going to be fun coming down.
I love the silence. Just so silent.
Even with the unexpected construction at the top, we still get a great view. Cat Ba National Park is a well-known refuge for endangered langurs, but you'll be really lucky to see any.
So we didn't see any langurs. They didn't really perform for us today. We thought we might have heard one in that tree over there, but couldn't see anything. Maybe they were feeling a bit languorous today.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
We've had an eventful 2 days on Katba Island, but there's still so much we didn't get to do. We'll definitely be back.
So I saw something like jump to another tree, but I didn't see what it was really. I think it's pretty rare to see langurs, but you can't bother them too much.
Or
Then they show their langur anger.
nope.
Yep.